So far we have studied the present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, right? After past perfect, today we are going to study or learn about past perfect continuous tense. So let us write the tense first here. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so we have written past perfect continuous tense. Now we will know the structure. As you know that in English, a sentence always starts with what? Subject. We know that in past perfect we always use what auxiliary verb? Had. Past participle form of the be verb, which is been, right? Okay, let me tell you. Verb number 1, here we take be, and the verb number 2, it becomes was and what? Were, right? And here in the verb number 3, this be verb becomes been. Remember this thing. And in verb number 4, I mean in present participle form, it becomes been, right? But here in present, it is also considered to be am, is, and what is that? Are, right? So this is present, this is past form, this is the past participle form, and this is the present participle form. Now, here in this structure, which one is required? Out of these 4, forms, which one is required? We need this verb number 3. Why? Because it is perfect here, right? The perfect always take verb number 3 after the auxiliary verb had. So therefore, we have written been here. Am I right? Yes. So therefore, it becomes subject plus had plus been. Now, there is a continuous. There is the word continuous, right? So continuous. And then after that, we are going to write the verb here, main verb here. So the main verb will be in continuous. That means it will be verb number 1 plus ing plus there will be the object, or you can say others. So therefore, the structure of the past perfect continuous tense happens to be what? Subject plus had been plus verb will be in the what? In the fourth form. That means in present participle. Ing should be there with the main verb. Okay? Okay, so in order to understand that clearly, let us write the conjugation by taking a main verb. So let us write a conjugation. Okay, I have written conjugation now. Now I am going to write a main verb here. Suppose the main verb I am going to take is sing. So sing is the main verb I have taken, I have chosen. Okay, now we are going to write the conjugation. In order to write the conjugation, we need to know the subject in first person singular and plural number, right? So therefore, I'll be writing first person here. This is the first person, and here we write the second person, and below the second person we have the last person, that is third person. Very good. Okay, now what I am going to write here, the beat, what I am supposed to do here,
singular number.
So I am going to write a singular form or singular number of first person, also the second person and the third person. And what is the next number? It is plural number. So I have written singular number, plural number. Now I will be writing the subject here. What is the allotted subject here in singular number? It is I. And here in plural number, we. Here in second person, the singular number is you. Here also you. And the third person singular number has three subjects. One is he, another one is she, and the last one is it here. And what will be the plural of the third person? It is they, right? You have finished? Now according to the structure of past perfect continuous, subject after subject, what should come here? Had been should come here, right? So therefore I am going to write had been. Here also I am going to write had been. Here also it will be had been. Here had been. Okay. Now it is time for us to write the main verb. The main verb will be in what form? In which form? 1, 2, 3 or 4 form?
One.
In which form?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is it? What is the main verb we have chosen? Sing is the main verb here, right? So this will be sang, and this will be sang, and this will be sing plus ing. It is singing. So therefore remember that the verb number will be in 4, right? It means that verb number 1 plus ing. Here we are going to write the verb number 1 what? Sing. But remember that ing should be added to the end of this main verb. So it becomes singing. Here also singing. Again singing here. Here also it is singing. This is also singing. Singing. And lastly we have written singing here. So we have done the conjugation for the main verb sing in which tense? Past perfect continuous tense, right? So I think that you have understood how to do the conjugation, right? So if you remember or memorize this structure, then you will be able to construct any sentence in past perfect continuous tense. So with that I come to the end of this class. Thank you.